Double click and select this first image and hit open. Now take the pen tool, enable path option, then select these teeth like this. Right click and choose make selection. Increase the feather radius to 3 pixels and press OK. Go to adjustment layer options and choose hue or saturation adjustment layer. Select this modified saturation hand icon and pick a color like this. Decrease the saturation to -100. Increase the lightness to +100. Now hit the masks button. Increase the feather to 10 pixels. Close the panel and see the final result. Let's continue the same process in the other image. Double click and select this second image. Hit open. Now take the pen tool, select these teeth like this. Now right click and choose make selection. Set feather radius to 3 pixels and press OK. Now go to adjustment layer options and choose a hue or saturation adjustment layer. Here select this hand icon. Then choose the color like this. Decrease the saturation to -100. Increase the lightness to +100. Hit the mask icon above. Here increase the feather to 10 pixels. Now is the time to see the final result.